Go, 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 go!
Go guys,
MMA, enjoy!
It's a Sunday.
Tama. No one has to die today. Yan, ganyan lang. Nice one. Okay. Hello. Nice, Chris. Osbol. Okay, good, good, good. Oh, how do you pass the side mount, Denise? Yan, squirm out. Sige lang, keep on squirming. Wala pa yan, keep on squirming. Nice one. Okay, good. Mabilis ha, kailangan makaswim out ka na agad bago siya makano. Sige lang. Bawi lang, puntos-puntos, mabay naman yun. Basta relax lang. Pag di ka kalma, papaspar kita kay Sir Carl. Nice one, Denise. Nice one. Good. Oh, tenga, sunod na tenga. Hatak. Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan. Single leg pag di gumana. Hey! Chin down. Scope out. Scope out, Miss Denise. Yan! Scope out. Very good. Oh, come back, kids. Malayo pa. Nice one, Ryan. Op, bawal kumapit sa ropes. O, harap sa kanya, Miss Denise. Good. Pass me guard. Pass to the God. Post drop, Miss Denise. Pass to the God. Pass to the God. Pass to the God. Yo, tanggal na kamay. Post drop, Miss Denise. Tulak mo yung paa. Push mo. O, layo mo dyan. Layo mo dyan. Wag, akala ko ipuputsta. Akala ko isa stamp ka, Jerome. Butya. Akala ko isa stamp ka eh. Okay lang, sige lang. Yan na siya. O, kilos, kilos. Bibigyan kita 10 seconds. Tatakas na si Jerome. Babawi yan. Akala ko isa stamp niya talaga. Oh. Armbar. Yan na. Lapit na. Nice one, Ryan. Okay. 10 seconds, Jerome. Pag di yan mag-umaksyon, bawi ka. Habol! Puksin. Roll him. Roll him. Roll nyo mo. Sayang yan, oh. Ang ganda ng posisyon, oh. Roll him. Roll nyo mo. I-roll nyo mo sa gilid. Nice one. Okay, o. Bawi, Jerome. Sa bagay, wala pa tayong naked chokes, no? Okay lang yan. Ryan enjoying the Pinoy weather. Ako lang yung nagsabi na enjoy. No one's enjoying it. Actually, mas okay na tong weather na to kaysa tag-ulan. Pero in fairness, medyo malapit na tag-ulan. Go, Yuan, go! Hey, nice, Chris! Ha, nice. Up, yeah. Uy, bawi, Jerome. Nice, yan. Okay, ikaw nalalaro ng distansya, Jerome. Oh, nagkabaliktad na mundo. Madalas ako yan eh. Ikaw yung kalaro kong ganyan eh. Distance, counter distance. Pag masyado agresibo, upper hook mo. Ganun lang, Jerome. Ipain mo yung agresibo sa kanya. Ready mo yung upper hooks mo pag gumaganon siya. Therefore, Miss Denise, lumabang ka ng pagilid. At huwag ka tumingin sa akin, makinig lang. 1 minute 30. Pucha. Nice one. Nice, Jerome. Tulak mo yung ulo, Miss Denise. Naalala mo paano dumepensa. Oh, kaso huli na. Pero yun. Last 1 minute. Nice one, Ron. Oh, everybody on the ground. Last 20 seconds. Kunan nyo na agad na submission. Squirm, Ryan. Trap the head and bridge to the side, Ryan. Parang drill lang kanina. Put him to your hips, grab the head, and bridge to the side. Nice one. Habol, Miss Denise. Habulin mo, habulin mo. Okay. Joke lang yung last 20. Last 30. Go! Sige lang, push lang. Oh, you know, chin down, no? Weave and hook. Hey. Pull it, Miss Denise. Pull. Yon. Oh, high mount pound. 5, 4, 3.